Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Crack on English. In this video, I will teach you the uses of simple present tense. So let's see. So all of you see the structure of simple present, that is verb 1 or verb 1 plus s or es. Okay, so let's discuss the rules. Rule number 1, habitual action. Okay, to express habitual action, we use simple present tense. Example, he gets up early in the morning. Okay, another example, he goes to school at 7 a.m. So when we express our habitual action that we do regularly, usually, okay, we use simple present tense. Clear? Then rule number 2, that is general truth. Okay, so when we express general truth, clear, we use simple present tense. Okay, one example is here, the mice play, clear, when the cat is away. So simple present, I have underlined here, play is. Clear? Next rule you say, to express scientific truth. Okay, we use simple present tense to express scientific truth. Example, oil floats on water. Okay, so here floats is simple present tense. Clear? Then water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, so these are scientific truth. Okay, next you see universal truth. To express universal truth, we use simple present tense. Okay, the earth goes around the sun. Clear? Here goes is simple present. Then the sun rises in the east. Rises is also simple present tense. Then rule number 5. Clear? Law of nature. Okay, when we express law of nature, we use simple present tense. Clear? Wind blows, it is law of nature. Then water flows downward, it is also law of nature. Clear? So to express law of nature, we use simple present tense. Then you see rule number 6, that is mathematical calculation. Okay, when we do some calculation, mathematical calculation, we use simple present tense. Example, 2 plus 2 makes 4. Okay, 20 minus 7. Okay, 20 minus 7. When we express this, results 13. Okay, so 20 minus 7 results 13. So to express mathematical calculation, we use simple present tense. Okay, then rule number 7. Clear? Zero conditional. Okay, there are 4 conditionals. In zero conditional, both if clause and main clause, okay, means take simple present tense. One example is here, if we heat ice, it melts. Okay, if we heat ice, it melts. So here if clause simple present tense, main clause also simple present tense. Okay, in type 1 conditional also, if clause only takes simple present tense. You see, if I work hard, here simple present is used. Okay, subject plus verb 1. Clear? If I work hard, I must succeed. Okay, so in type 1 conditional, okay, the if clause takes simple present tense. But in zero conditional, both the clauses take simple present tense. Okay, so then rule number 9. Rule number 9 is calendrical action or a departmental time. Okay, if some actions are fixed in the calendar, okay, fixed in future time or departmental time, that is expressed in simple present tense. For example, the Rajdhani Express leaves Cuttack. Okay, leaves Cuttack at 2 p.m. So this is simple present tense. This is fixed in the railway timetable. Okay, then my birthday falls on 3rd May. Clear? My birthday falls. Every year it falls on 3rd May. It is set, okay, in calendar. Clear? It is a calendrical action. Are you getting or not? The office opens at 10 a.m. Clear? That means that is also departmental time. Are you getting or not? Okay. So then rule number 10 you say, that is running commentaries. Okay. We watch cricket match, football match, volleyball match. Okay. The commentators, what they do? They use simple present tense. Clear? For the running commentaries. Okay. It's an example regarding football match. You say Deepak passes the ball. Okay. To whom? To Gautam. Clear? Passes. It is simple present tense. Okay. And Gautam kicks it to the goal post. Clear? You see. So action is going on before you. As a commentator, you have to use simple present tense to express this running commentaries. Clear? Next, rule number 11. Rule number 11, that is stative verb. Okay? So rule number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, clear? 16. Up to 16, you are getting stative verbs. Okay? So you should give priority on it. On this, you see verbs of position. First, it is position. Clear? Which verbs are taken under this? Have, okay, own, possess, belong to, contain, consist. Okay, so these verbs are verbs of possession, and generally when we use these verbs in the sentences, clear, we use them in simple present tense. Okay, he owns a car. Okay, the bottle consists milk. Okay, that contains milk. Clear? And next you see rule number 12. Okay, rule number 12 is verbs of liking or disliking. Clear? Liking or disliking. That is also stative verb. Okay, which verbs are taken under this? Like, dislike, love, hate, prefer, admire, want. Okay, so these are the verbs of liking or disliking, and when you use in your sentences, you should use in simple present tense. I love you. I hate the cruel, means the cruel persons. Okay, here adjective before the means it refers to all the cruel persons. Okay, next you say rule number 13, that is verbs of sense of perception. Okay, that is also one stative verb. Which verbs are coming under this? See, hear, sense, taste, feel. Okay, that means all the 5 sense. Okay, that verbs of sense of perception. One example, he feels unhappy. Okay, he feels unhappy. I hear a loud noise. Okay, in the same way, rule number 14, you say verbs of mental activity, that is also another stative verb. Okay, hope, forget, remember, such type of verbs are coming under this. He forgets everything. Okay, rule number 15, verbs of thinking. Okay, which verbs are coming under this? Think, believe, know, understand, mind. Okay, so such verbs are verbs of thinking. Okay, and that is also stative verb. India believes in democracy. Okay, that is one example of rule number 15. Okay, rule number 16, you say verbs of appearance. Okay, that is also another stative verb. Okay, appear. Which verbs are coming? Appear, seem, look, resemble. Okay, when we use these verbs in sentences, okay, we use them generally in simple present tense. Clear? The sky appears cloudy. Clear? The sky appears cloudy. Okay, it seems very disappointed. Clear? Like this you will use. Then you say formal declaration. Rule number 17, that is a formal declaration. Okay, when we declare some formal declaration, okay, announce some formal declaration, we use simple present tense. The PM of India declares. Okay, the PM of India declares Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Okay, so it is formal declaration. Clear? The collector of our district inaugurates, okay, the flower show. Are you getting or not? In the same way, rule number 18, permanent state or fact. Clear? Permanent state or fact. Delhi stands on the Yamuna. Clear? Delhi stands. Okay, Delhi stands. That is simple present tense. And rule number 19, you see, things done again and again as habit. Okay, so we use here always, often, usually, sometime, never. Such type of adverbs are used after that verb. He usually behaves politely. Okay, he always comes here like this. Okay, so my dear students, you practice these rules of simple present tense, then no doubt you can use all the verbs of simple present tense, okay, correctly, and you must maintain error-free English in your speaking and writing. Thank you all. We will see in the next video.